Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will be teaching you about pips. So the importance of pip is that we need to know what is a pip and how much pips do we must risk in per one trade. So without knowing pips we cannot move further because we define our risk and our profit based on pips. Alright, so I will be teaching you about pips for currency pairs. And if we consider about other markets like indices and gold, silver, platinum, all the cryptocurrencies, all those pairs also moves by pips, but the calculation will be a bit different. So I will be teaching you about currencies first. So let's focus on all currencies except JPY pairs. So first of all, any chart in Forex has two pairs. It is a combination of two pairs. The price moves with respect to one currency. Alright, so I'm in this chart GBP USD chart. So this means that the price of a pound with respect to a US dollar. Alright, so the ratio will be shown in this scale, in the right side of the chart. So we will be calculating bips based on that. So let's say, alright, first of all, the market, we can see that the market is now at 1.31595. Alright, so let's assume that for our convenience to teach you better, that the market is now at 1.2600. Alright, and then the market moves from 1.2600 to 1.2680. So which means that the market was in 1.2600, and then after some time the market has moved from that point to 1.2680. So it has moved in the upward direction. So we say that GBP USD pair has moved 80 pips up. Alright, so we calculate the number of pips with respect to this fourth decimal place. Okay, so when we consider this scale 1.26800, so we neglect the fifth decimal place. 2 is the first decimal place, 6 is the second, 8 is the third, first 0 is the fourth, and second 0 is the fifth. So we neglect the fifth decimal place. We don't care what is in the fifth decimal place. We take pips with respect to the fourth decimal place. Alright, so the currency has moved in this direction from this point to this. So if we consider the difference, which we subtract this value from this value, it will be 80. So with respect to the fourth decimal place. Alright, so let's say the price moves from 1.1520 to 1.1538. So the difference between those two are 18 pips. Alright, I hope you get it. And then let's say the price is at 1.1200, and then the price moves downwards to 1.1185. okay, so we say that the pair has moved 15 pips downwards. Alright, so a note to consider is that this is defined for all the currency pairs except JPY pairs. This is important because when we consider about JPY pairs, we calculate pips with respect to the second decimal place, not the fourth decimal place. Okay, so if we look at this left side of this pane, there are several charts. The first is Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, New Zealand USD. There are several except JPY pairs, which means USD JPY, GBP JPY, CAD JPY, all those pairs we calculate pips in a different way. Okay, so for JPY pairs we consider pips with respect to the second decimal place. So let's say that the price moves from 124.26 to 124.38. Let's say these are Euro JPY pairs. Okay. So let's say these are GBP USD pairs. These are Euro JPY pairs. So for there is a JPY. So we calculate with respect to the second decimal place. So when we subtract those two, it is 2 pips. So it has increased by 2 pips, gone up. So see the second example. So the price is now, let's consider the price is at 124.15, then the price moved to 124.38, then the price has moved 23 pips. So let's say for that example the price is at 124 and moves to 123. With respect to the second decimal place, it has moved downwards 100 pips. I hope you get it. So let's say, so when we consider TradingView, there is a tool that we can use to calculate the number of pips, to measure number of pips. Let's say the price moved from this point to this point. So we click this ruler icon, click here, and then just move your mouse up. Then we can see the number of pips as 54.5. So it means that the price has moved from this point to this point, and the difference is 54 pips. It has moved 54 pips from this point to this point. Alright, I hope you get it.